Hello and hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic we are going to discuss part 2 of banking. If you want to know about the bank and its major functions, just you can click on the icon over here on the top of the screen so you can watch and continue the second part of it. The next topic we are going to discuss types of accounts. Out of the various types of accounts, deposit schemes provided by the banks, we shall confine our discussion to the popular and the most commonly used four types of accounts. The first one, saving bank account. Second one, fixed deposit or term deposit accounts. The third one, recurring or cumulative deposit accounts. We used to call it as RD accounts. Fourth one, current deposit accounts. In our session today we are going to study on the recurring or cumulative deposit accounts. What is meant by a recurring or cumulative deposit account? In the scheme, a specified amount is deposited in the account every month for a fixed period chosen by the depositor in the beginning. The recurring deposit accounts can be opened in the banks or post office after the expiry of the fixed period, which we used to call it as maturity period. A lump sum amount is paid to the depositor. The amount received by the depositor at the time of expiry or the maturity period is called maturity value of a recurring deposit. The maturity value of RD account includes the amount deposited by the account holder together with interest compounded quarterly at a fixed rate. This rate is fixed by the Reserve Bank of India and is revised from time to time. Computation of interest and the maturity value using the formula. Let us P the money deposited per month in a recurring deposit account. N be the number of months for which the money to be deposited, and R be the rate of interest per annum. The total number of months that deposited money earns interest, that it will be equal to sum of the number of months, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. Here n it stands for unknown number of months. The sum of natural numbers, the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The equivalent principal for 1 month is equal to p into n plus 1 divided by 2. The interest earned on the recurring deposit amount is equal to p into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Total money deposited in n months is equal to P into n. Maturity value is equal to P into n plus I. I stands for interest. The maturity value formula is equal to deposited money plus interest. Deposited money we are going to calculate by multiplying principal into n. So MV is equal to P into n plus P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100.